need a screwdriver. I need a screwdriver. Hang on. No, I need a screwdriver. No.
Excellent, 47.
No.
Madam Carlyle is on her way down for the family photo
No.
shoot.
No.
Let's
No.
see if any memorable moments will play
No.
out
I
in
need a
front.
screwdriver. I need. Hello. I need a screwdriver. No. I can't kill her without a screwdriver. No.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
I understand.
No.
why you're
It's a
so
garden fork. No.
shocked to all of us.
Come on. Come on, you sons of bitches. I need a screwdriver. What's this? No, those are shears. No. No. God damn it. I need a screwdriver. Where? Come on. Don't call them down yet. I'm not ready. I'm getting performance anxiety. No. Wait. Is that an... Wait. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Mary is so upset.
No!
A safe in Madam
Damn
Carlyle's
it.
office.
Son
I
of a
bet that's
beeswax.
where she keeps the file on Arthur Edwards.
Oh. Dig pig, god damn it. It's all your fault.